Hey guys, we're here at Oliver House in Kaaletu. As you can see, we finished the project. We just want to show you what the end product. Still small things that needs to be done, but I think it came out beautiful. The Lord blessed us with all the public donations and businesses that got involved. So yeah, I think it came out really beautiful. It looks much better. The floors, everything inside here, the bathroom. There we go. And the shower. Yeah. So yeah, I think like a new ceilings there. Yeah, so we just want to say thank you to every single person that was involved, that made this day possible. Thank you for all the contributions, all the love, all the prayers. And we hope to see you guys soon on a new project. I'm Ron from Water the Father, and our team says thank you to you guys once again. Have a blessed day. Jesus loves you guys. Cheers.